Hello everyone, welcome to the OneClass channel. My name is Marlon. I'm a second year student at the University of Waterloo studying chemical physics and math. Today I'm going to be going through some high school level and college level calculus problems. Be sure to check out the links in the description if you're in need of any extra homework help or like some one-on-one tutoring. So let's jump in. So we would like to evaluate the indefinite integral as an infinite series. So to do this, first what we're going to do is x, and then we need to find arctan x squared in terms of an infinite series, and then we integrate that in infinite series. Okay, so we already know that arctan of x is equal to, of course, inverse tangent, and that is equal to the integral of 1 over 1 plus x squared. And now we're going to use our friend here, the fact that 1 over 1 minus x is equal to the infinite series of x to the power of n. So what that means is 1 over 1 minus negative x squared is going to be the infinite series of negative x squared to the power of n, because that is what we're putting in to find the infinite series for inverse tan. That's the first step. We can pull out the negative 1. So negative 1 n x to the power of 2n, and that's going to be what this is equal to. And so next up, we know that arctan of x is equal to the integral of 1 plus x squared, and that's going to be the integral of this summation, since we found that the two are equal. So both of these terms don't have any x reliance, but this one does. And so we're going to remember the exponent rule, which is just the fact that the integral of x to the a dx is equal to 1 over a plus 1, x to the a plus 1. And so in this case, our a is 2n, so a plus 1 is 2n plus 1, x to the power of a plus 1 is x to the power of 2n plus 1. So all of that will mean that arctan of x is going to be equal to this infinite series all over 2n plus 1. Next up, we want to find arctan x squared, as we said here. So we do that by simply substituting x with x squared. So I just multiplied this by 2 to get the new exponent. And then next up, we're going to be integrating this. So the integral of arctan x squared over dx is going to be equal to the integral of this summation. And so we're going to be using this exact same rule, except now our a is 4n plus 2. So a plus 1 is going to be 4n plus 3, which means that this is going to become this infinite series And then we need to remember the fact that the integral is unbounded. So we will have a plus c. You can have the c at the beginning to make it less confusing. So it'd be c plus our infinite series. And that's going to be your final answer.